Hey y'all, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who may or may not already know, my name is Alex, aka Yellowberry.
Go ahead, I don't bite.
Happy freaking Vlogmas! Thank you all for tuning in as long as you have been. If this is your first time watching a video of mine, I just also want to thank you and remind you to please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Guys, this video is just so near and dear to me. This video is probably like one of the top 3 most emotional videos for me. I ain't gonna cry now. I ain't gonna catch a tear out of me, okay? But guys, do y'all see where I'm at right now? Like, do y'all see what's behind me? I freaking created my own YouTube creators studio. So a little backstory, I've been doing YouTube for about 4 years on and off. Within this year, aka 2019, is the most I've been consistent. Again, not as consistent as I want to be. And the only reason why I'm giving this little backstory, y'all, is because I literally started from the bottom, and I haven't realized how much of the bottom that I've started from, because again, as I said, I haven't been as consistent as I wanted to be. I didn't invest as much and as fast as, I don't want to say I should have, but you know, I wasn't one of those people that when I first started I went and bought a camera, ring, like this, that, third, you know. If you see from my previous videos, and I'll also link them down below, I made my own ring light. I was recording from my iPhone, I think 6, and then when I upgraded to a 7, y'all couldn't tell me I didn't have a camera. I had little cheesy backdrops that I was like literally pinning to my wall. There was a time when I was only recording in the daytime because literally I ain't have a ring light. If the sun goes down, y'all, pack up shop. We gonna try this again tomorrow. So for me to be sitting here right now and to have made this freaking area in my room, okay, and even I even boost this up to make it seem like I rented out a space. This is my room. Okay, at this point, y'all, for y'all who have been watching my videos from the beginning, from my ratchet days, I'm still a little ratchet. My ratchet days is like crazy to see. So again, welcome to my new creator studio. I personalized everything for me, and because it's Vlogmas, clearly I have like some Christmassy things going on behind me. So in this video, I'm just gonna tell you where I purchased my things from. I'm gonna have some links down below so you can purchase some stuff for your house, for your studio, whatever the hell you wanna purchase things for. And I just wanna really thank you all for watching. Thank you all for rocking with me this long for Vlogmas. Not only Vlogmas, but just for however long that you have been watching my channel. I just wanna thank you so much. I wanna express that gratitude, and it's only going up from here. Alright, so a lot of these things I bought from Amazon, Home Goods, as well as Home Depot and Target. So we can start from the top and then work our way back to the bottom. I got these picture frames for, I believe, $4.99 from Target. They were originally white, but I spray painted them gold. I bought some spray paint from Home Depot, which was about, I think, like $5, if even that much. So I spray painted them this gold color so that it could match the gold frame above my bed. I wanted to make sure that with my studio, although like I wanted to kind of be its own section in my room, I still wanted to be cohesive with the rest of my room. I got this Dashing Through the Snow board from Target, along with this fake plant, as well as this fake plant, just to represent the, you know, Christmas holiday and Vlogmas that I am participating in. I also got these 2 shakers, glitter shakers. This one has like little Christmas trees in it. I'm not sure if you can see. And the other one is just some red glittery sand. I also got this reindeer from Target for 15 freaking bucks. Might I add to you guys, they had a whole Christmas section in Target with things, no lie, like less than $10. I totally neglected to go in that area, so yeah, I got this from, yeah, it's kind of hefty too. Got it for $15 at Target. I already have that lamp. I got it from my brother's ex-girlfriend years ago. So if she's watching this video, hey girl, I still got the lamp. And I bought this it's so cool. It lights up. I'm not sure if you can see it with the light on, but the light bulbs are on. And clearly I got an A because my name is Alex, aka Yellowberry. And yeah, I bought this from Amazon. So I'm gonna link everything that I bought from Amazon with my affiliate link down below. I bought this acrylic organizer way back when. Literally I had this for like 5 years. This used to be on my bureau. And yeah, it just has all my makeup, my knickknacks, all my Fenty Beauty sticks, my LA Girl Pro Concealer, some MAC lipsticks, my foundations, and so on and so forth. So I put that in cubicle A. In cubicle B now, we have a chair sign that I purchased from Target, 4 shot glasses that I purchased from Target as well, from the dollar section. But I believe it was like $4. And this bottle of Douce, clearly it's from the liquor store, that my boyfriend was trying to crack open, as y'all saw in the previous Vlogmas. So that's why it's a little bit down. And I'm thinking, oh hell no! He drank my Douce! Because I know in the video it was higher than this and I had none of it. I'm gonna whip his ass. He's gonna buy me a new bottle. But anyway, that is cubicle 2. In cubicle 3, I have another cosmetic organizer which I purchased from, I believe, Amazon. I'm gonna look it through my cart and link it down below. I also did purchase this way back when. And here's my Cinema Secret stuff to clean my brushes. That's there. And I freaking love this thing. Oh my gosh, it's like hairy. I don't know, like cow skin or something. Freaking love it. I also have this on my bureau behind me, and I put my makeup brushes in here as well as my lotion and my deodorant, just because I had nothing to fill that middle section. So this is my 4th cubicle, and then behind it I stored my makeup bag that I also purchased from Amazon for when I'm traveling. So that concludes number 4. Cubicle number 5, this is actually a letter organizer, I guess. I got it from Amazon. I just decided to put all of my palettes in here because originally I had all my palettes in this one. So what I was doing was basically just doubling up, so I would have all the bigger palettes within the slots, and then I'd have these little palettes like kind of floating in between. So just for my organizer, I decided to just purchase a new one, and that way when I get bigger palettes I can just keep adding them to the back and stop cramming up this smaller one. And lastly, we have this other acrylic cosmetic organizer that I have majority of my lipsticks. I have some AJ Crimson foundation samples, some other little knickknacks that I don't use, lashes and earrings, and some more lashes and earrings in this one. So yeah. And lastly, we have my freaking plant. Guys, I am super in love with this plant. It is real. I don't know what the name of this plant is, but I did purchase it from Home Depot for 40 bucks, which was really awesome to me because I honestly thought that these plants go for like $100, $200. It is a real plant if I didn't mention that. So yes, I have to water, sis. It's not time as yet. They told me that, you know, on the care instructions, they said that when the soil is completely dried out that I'm supposed to re-wet it again. So basically I think this is one of those plants that, like, I don't know, a dry plant? I don't know, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, this is my first real plant besides Chase. This is my 2nd baby, and I think I'm taking pretty freaking good care of her. So yeah guys, this is the finishing touch to my studio. I just added these pictures on here just now, but I had the studio up for a week and I am so in love. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love. I truly can't believe I did this. When you guys see me sitting down recording, I'm sitting here. I wanted to get a chair. Like, I wanted to actually buy a chair, but I just snagged this one from my kitchen. Listen y'all, Rome was not built in a day, so I'm gonna hook it up with another chair. And I got this table from Target. I'm not sure how much I paid for it, but pretty much, as I said, I wanted everything to be cohesive with my room. So I purchased this table knowing that whenever I'm done recording, I just fold it up and stick it under my bed, and then my room is mine again. I have this big empty space. My room looks clean and tidy, and when I want to record, I just whip it right back out. I also have this mirror here for when I'm doing my makeup tutorials now. I have a mirror that I can sit down and look straight into. This is my ring light. So my ring light basically just sits right in front of the table, as well as my softbox light. So pretty much This is how basically everything looks. A little scan of thy room. And then I just, you know, hook this up as such, so it just looks like I'm sitting right here. So as you can see, I am super freaking proud of my space. 3 weeks ago, I didn't know I was gonna do this. I forgot to mention that I purchased this organizer from Amazon. It was a mother-loving to-build, okay, y'all? If y'all noticed, I still have the nails sticking up because they were merely impossible to drill in. As well as, I'm gonna insert a little clip. I have books at the bottom of the shelf to basically stabilize it because the same nails that are here at the bottom, and it just wasn't cooperating. So me and my boyfriend had to do what we had to do. I'm like, listen, this studio is getting made. I don't care if it's imperfect. Everything else looks perfect to the, you know, naked eye, so that's all that matters to me. I ain't gonna kill myself trying to be 100% perfectionist. But guys, I just want to encourage you that wherever you are in your journey, just embrace it because better things are coming. You know, you might not have the ideas now, but you will get them later, because literally 4 years ago, I couldn't imagine this. Especially not in my room, like literally, guys. If y'all would have seen where I was sticking the freaking backdrops before, hey Tracy, if y'all would have saw where I was sticking the backdrops before, y'all would be laughing at me. I loved it, like I couldn't ask for anything else, and everything, Chase, wait. Everything goes with my room. I'm just so blessed to have the size room that I have because nothing is in my way, literally. Like I can still get on my bed, I can still get to my clothes without pushing and moving things around, which was the case for me previously because I was recording right in front of my bureau, which is right in front of my bed, so just that little space, you know, whatever, that doesn't even matter. But again, I want to thank you all for watching, and I hope that this video encouraged you lots to, you know, get to the bag, get to the money, to progress, to keep going and keep being creative and keep doing what you do, and things will just fall into place when it's supposed to fall into place. Thanks again for watching, guys, and make sure you tune into tomorrow's Vlogmas. I will see you in the next one. Bye. JC, say bye-bye. No? Okay.